Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we will learn how to verify a GST number online using the official GST portal www.gst.gov.in. This process is very important for banks, businesses, loan appraisal, and compliance verification. First, open your internet browser and type www.gst.gov.in. This is the official website of the Goods and Services Tax Network. On the home page, move your cursor to the Search Taxpayer option available on the top menu. From the drop-down menu, click on Search by GSTIN/UIN. Now, enter the 15-digit GSTIN or UIN of the taxpayer. Type the CAPTCHA code exactly as shown on the screen. After entering the GSTIN and CAPTCHA, click on the Search button. The system will now display important details such as legal name of business, trade name, GST status, active, cancelled, suspended, date of registration, type of taxpayer, state jurisdiction. This confirms whether the GST number is valid and active. Importance of GST verification. GST verification helps in KYC and due diligence, loan appraisal and MSME financing, vendor and supplier verification, preventing fraud and fake GST numbers. So this is how you can easily verify a GSTIN online using the GST portal. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos.